How to Run Llama 3, a step-by-step guide. Welcome! This video will show you how to run Llama 3, a powerful open-source large language model, on your local machine. Llama 3 comes in two sizes, 8 billion and 70 billion parameters. Both are trained on massive amounts of text data, making them versatile for various tasks. These tasks include generating different creative text formats, translating languages, answering your questions informatively, and more. While still under development, Meta considers Llama 3 one of the leading open-source models available. What makes Llama 3 special? It excels in reasoning, code generation, and following instructions, thanks to advanced training techniques. You'll experience fewer false rejections and more diverse responses. The model is optimized for real-world use based on human evaluations, with the 7dB model particularly strong at following instructions. Running Llama 3 locally. We'll use a tool called Ollama to run Llama 3 on your computer. Step 1. Install Ollama. Download Ollama for your specific operating system, instructions on their website. Follow the installation instructions. Step 2. Download and use Llama 3. Open a terminal window. Type the command Ollama run Llama 3 to download the model. Step 3. Get started. Llama 3 is now ready to use. Type your prompt or question and let Llama 3 work its magic. Remember, the 7dB model requires significant resources: 140 GB disk space, 160 GB VRAM. Smaller models are available for smoother operation on less powerful machines. Unleash the potential of Llama 3 as a powerful open-source alternative to other large language models. Stay tuned with Highscaler for more cutting-edge tech content.